Come test drive the 2026 Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the Trailblazer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.